Hi and welcome. In this video, we'll do a quick Psychopoints routine for the upper and lower back, helpful when you feel tension, stiffness, or that overloaded feeling that builds up in the back, between the shoulders, through the mid-back, and into the lower back. This is a simple and realistic practice, designed to work on the parts of the back you can reach on your own, without forcing anything. Before we begin, one simple and important note. If you have sharp pain, a recent injury, strong pain that travels down the leg, significant tingling, or intense symptoms, this video is not the right tool, and you should seek professional evaluation. Here, we're only working with non-urgent tension and overload as a self-help practice. The same basic rule applies for the back: clear pressure, but manageable. And one more important thing, we do not need to reach everything. We work well on the areas we can access, and we help the back let go with breath and small movements.
Let's begin with a moment of centering. Place one hand on your chest. If you can, bring the other hand behind you to an area of the back or side body that you can reach comfortably. If that doesn't feel easy, it's completely fine to keep both hands in front. Take a natural breath and exhale slowly. One more time. As you exhale, try to feel the breath widening into the back as much as you can. Now let's work on the upper back in the area behind the shoulder. Bring one hand to the back of the opposite shoulder and look for a point that feels a little more sensitive between the back of the trapezius and the edge of the shoulder blade. When you find it, apply gentle but clear pressure and stay there for about 10 to 15 seconds. Breathe calmly. Then move to a second nearby point and repeat. After that, switch to the other side and do the same. Now try moving slightly lower into the area behind the shoulder blade wherever you can reach with the crossed hand. There's no need to find the perfect point. Just look for an area that feels a little tighter and keep a manageable contact for 10 to 15 seconds. Then switch sides. Remember, we do not need to reach the whole back. Even working well on these accessible areas can help the rest of the back relax. Now let's move to the lower back, but we'll work on the sides, not directly on the spine. Bring one hand to the side of the lower back, above the pelvis, and away from the spine on the back side of the body. Look for a slightly sensitive point and place a steady contact there with gentle or medium pressure, always manageable. Hold for about 10 to 20 seconds while breathing slowly. Then switch to the other side and repeat. Now bring one hand to the center of the low back, over the sacrum, just above the tailbone. There's no need to press hard here. Just place the palm and keep a steady, reassuring contact for about 15 to 20 seconds. Breathe calmly and let the exhale become a little slower. Many people feel an immediate sense of stability with this step. Now let's add a small movement to help the back release without forcing. Place your hands on the lower back or the hips and make a very small pelvic sway. You can imagine a tiny forward and back movement or a small gentle rocking. A few seconds are enough. Then stop and take a slow exhale. This step helps loosen tension that feels stuck. To close, place one hand on the chest and one hand on the lower back, on the lumbar area or sacrum, wherever feels more comfortable. Take 2 calm breaths. Inhale normally and exhale slowly. One more time. Notice the contact in front and in back. We do not need to release everything at once. We're simply looking for a little more space and a little less weight.
Perfect. This is a quick routine for the upper and lower back that you can use when you feel tension, stiffness, or overload. You can do it on its own or combine it with the neck, shoulders, and chest videos if you feel tension through the whole upper body. Always remember, clear pressure, but manageable. And for the back, avoid direct pressure on the spine. Work on the sides slowly and gently. See you soon.